Mr. Stewart. We're here from the English department to talk to you about pausing in the classroom. So the first part of pause is self-respect. It means that you're on time to class and you're in your seat and you're prepared. You do your best work. You also need to be an engaged student. The best part of your education is going to come from you learning and struggling and working to get better at you.
Hi, I'm Jill Mishler. I'm a science teacher here at Mel. I'm also the Student Senate sponsor. In addition to having respect for yourself, you should have respect for others in the classroom. And you can do this by using appropriate language, being mindful to the other learners, and of course being kind and being positive.
Hi guys, my name is Mrs. Dulaney and I teach art. I've been here for quite a while. And I want to talk to you about the PAUSE program. We're going to pause in the classroom this year. And at Male, we want to put character first. Well, what does that look like? First, you want to follow class rules. That makes it easy for everybody to learn, and everybody has a right to an education. Clean up after yourself. You're old enough to do that, and we're not your mom and we're not your dad. Clean up your own mess. Respect the class materials and lab materials. If you don't take care of them, there won't be any to use. And follow the dress code. That's the easiest part of your day. You have a job, that is school. You wear your uniform to school. You wear it to your other job if you worked at Qdoba or Walmart or Kroger. So just look at that as being prepared for work when you come. Character first also means being respectful and treating people the way that you want to be treated. So we want to model those behaviors and practice them and treat each other like family, because that's what we are.